Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser on your mobile and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the homepage of Roblox. Now just tap on this create tab over here. It will take you to the creation dashboard. Just tap on this menu button over here and just tap on this creation option. And once you're here, it will take you to the experience. Just tap on the experience will be by your username. And now just tap on the menu button again, menu bar, and just tap on this save passes option. Now to create your own game pass, just tap on this option. Just tap on this create a pass button. Just tap on this create a pass button to create your own game pass. And here you can change the image of your game pass. Enter the name of the game pass like EG. Enter the description here, demo. You can write anything you want and just tap on this create pass. Once you created your own game pass, just tap on the new game pass that you have created to configure it. Tap on this menu bar over here, tap on sale, tap on item for any sale, and enter the price here of the Robux or the game pass like 330 Robux, and tap on save changes. Once you save the price of the Robux of the game pass, go and open the Roblox app. Now once you open the Roblox app, just open the please donate game. Once you open the Roblox game, guys, now you just need to look for any empty stand to add your game pass here in the please donate. Like this is a unclaimed stand. Just hold this stand button over here and your game pass will be listed here. As you can see, I have created a 30 Robux game pass and you can see it has been added here. So that's how you can make your own game pass and add to the game. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.